Hello guys, welcome back to a new section. In this session, we are going to see how to control a bunch of LEDs or any other devices using your voice command in Python. Before starting our section, I want to say something. Please subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make more videos for you. Guys, this is our simple circuit. This is an RGB LED. When I say turn on red LED, this LED will be light in red color. If I say turn on green LED, then this LED will be light in green color. And if I say blue, it will be in blue color. Okay guys, this is an RGB LED. So it have four legs. You can see here. The longest probe is ground and it is connected to Arduino's ground, and these three pins are red, green and blue respectively, and it is connected to pin number 8, 9 and 10. You can see here. Okay, circuit diagram will be given in the description. You can fetch it from there. This is a small circuit you can see here. Okay, and the resistors are for protecting of LED. Three resistors connected to red, green and blue. It is connected to 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys, now we can see our Arduino code. This is our Arduino code. Okay, first of all, we want to declare our pins. We have declared red LED, green and blue. It is connected to, I have already told that it is connected to 8, 9 and 10 pins respectively. So red LED is assigned to digital pin 8 of Arduino, and green to 9 and blue to 10. Okay guys, and coming to our setup part, we want to specify our baud rate. Okay, I have given here 9600 bits per second. Okay, and coming to next step, you can see here pin mode. We want to set up the pin mode, whether it is output or input. Okay, we want to get the output to our LED. So I had set these three pins, red and green and blue, that is 8, 9 and 10 pins as output pins. Okay, next is our loop part. This contains the core part of our program. Okay, you can see here I have made a variable data, okay, as character type. Okay, here I will be reading something from serial port. You can see here serial.read, and it will be stored in the data variable. Okay, it is of character type, you can see here. And next, if data equal to 1, then first red LED will be on. Okay, and this data 1, 2 and else part that is 3. Again, this data will be sent by our Python code, and if I say turn on red LED, then it will send a 1 to our serial port. Then our Arduino will interpret it, and it will turn on our red LED and turn off green LED and blue LED. I hope you understand. And if the data is 2, and if that means if our Python code sends 2 to our Arduino, then it will turn on our green LED. You can see here green LED will be turned on and red LED and blue LED will be turned off. Okay, and else that is, this Arduino get any other numbers, any numbers other than 1 and 2, then our blue LED will be turned on and red and green will be off. Okay, I hope you understand guys. Now we can move to our Python code. This is our Python code. First of all, we want to import two libraries. That is, one is speech recognition and other is serial. Serial, all you know that we are interfacing with Arduino and it's serial communication, so we need serial library. And we need speech recognition, so it will convert our speech to text. Okay guys, and you can download it either from this way. You can go to settings, interpreter, and that way you can download. Okay, you can see the Python interpreter, and on the right side you can see a plus button. Just click on that, and we want to type speech recognition, then S capital speech, R capital recognition. You can see here I have already installed it. You can see library for performing speech recognition with support for several engines and APIs. Okay, I'm just skipping that and clicking on OK. As the same way, you want to install serial library also. Now you want to install one more library, that is PyAudio, but you can't install it in a usual way like this. For that, just go to terminal. You need one more library for installing that. Okay, just type pip install. Okay, pip win, pip win. Okay, that is pip for Windows edition, but it is not official. You want to install that. Okay, I had already installed it, so it is showing like this requirement already satisfied. Now just type pipwin. Okay, pipwin install Pi Audio. Pi Audio. Okay, it will install Pi Audio for us. You can't install it in a usual way like pip install Pi Audio. It will not download. Okay, you can see it's downloading package. I had already downloaded it, but for showing you, I'm downloading it once more. You can see here PyOD is already installed with the same version. Okay, so I am just closing that, and you can go here. You can see we want to create an instance of recognizer and serial. You can see serial dot initiate our serial communication serial port. I had connected my Arduino to COM6. You can check it here. Go to tools, port. You can see COM6 Arduino Uno, and I'm just closing that. It is in 9600 baud rate. I had defined here 9600 bits per second. You want to create an instance of microphone here, mic. Okay, a source. Okay, guys. Now the main part of our program is written inside an exception handler. You can see here try and except. If any exception is caught here, then this statement will be executed. That is wrong command. It will happen because everything we say may not be recognized by our system, that is Google Audio. It is used in Google Assistant and all. And okay, everything is written inside a loop. Here you can see continuous loop while one, that is while true. And first one is we want to, I'm just printing speak anything, and we want to get our audio. For that ROTL is okay. We had already made an instance of recognizer here, and we want to give source as argument here. Source we have given it microphone. Text is equal to R recognized Google Audio. Okay, we have already installed the packages for it. I'm just printing the statement, that is print used format text. Okay, text it should be formatted and printed it in our console. And if text is equal to turn on red LED, and if I am saying turn on red LED, then serial dot write B means it is converted to byte. Okay, one is converted to byte, and you can see here we have already set it. If data equal to 1, then red LED should be on. Okay, then if else if text equal to turn on green LED, then 2. Okay, serial dot write 2. You can see here 2 is for what? Turning on green LED. Okay, you can see here else if turn on green LED. At that time it will send 3 to our serial port, and our blue LED will be turned on and others will be turned off. And if you are saying any wrong command, then the statement inside exception will be executed. That is the wrong command. Just printing wrong command. Okay guys, now we can upload our program. Okay, I'm going to upload my sketch. Okay, board Arduino Uno and the port is COM6. Okay guys, just uploading it. Uploading. Yeah, it is done uploading. Okay. Okay guys, now I am going to run my Python program. Turn on red LED. Turn on green LED. Turn on blue LED. Turn on green LED. Turn on red LED. Turn on red LED. Turn on green LED. Turn on blue LED. Turn on red LED. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this section. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.